that. That's what. Fuck's sake.
A few moments later.
Where are you going? Let's have a chat. Fucking pull over there. Yeah! Why are you fucking spitting at me as I come past? Well, A, I wasn't. And, yes, mate, I've got you on camera. You looked in the mirror and fucking spat at me. Now, that's fucking assault. So you can either fucking apologise or I'll send it to the police. So what? So you decide to spit at me? What fucking kind of creature are you? What fucking man decides to spit at someone? You are a fucking creature.